Students, now we will do exercise 3A, question number 4, part F. 9 whole 1 upon 10 plus 3 whole 1 upon 5 plus 4 whole 1 upon 15. You can see 9 whole 1 upon 10. This type of fraction is called whole number fraction. Whole number fraction is consisted of two parts. This is whole number parts, which is a natural number, and 1 upon 10 is a fractional part. In this, 3 is a whole number part and 1 upon 5 is a fractional part. 4 is a whole number part and 1 upon 15 is a fractional part. We will add the whole number parts in each other. 9 plus 3 plus 4. These are the natural numbers 9, 3 and 4. We will add these whole number parts and we will add the fractional parts 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 15. You can see that these first we will add the whole number parts. Let's add the whole number parts. 9 plus 3 plus 14 gives us 16 plus, now we have to add the fractional parts. Focus on the denominators. The denominators are 10, 5 and 15. They are not same. It means that these fractions are unlike fractions. For adding the unlike fractions, first we have to make the denominators same. Or in other words, we have to change these fractions into common fractions. We have to change into like fractions. Sorry, not common, like fractions. How we will change these unlike fractions into like fractions? By taking the LCM of 10, 5 and 15. We will take the LCM of 10, 5 and 15. 10, 5 and 15. The LCM of 10, 5 and 15 is 30. It is and 15 is 30. It's not 1, it is A. And the LCM of 10, 5 and 15 is 30. If you don't know how to find the LCM, you should watch my videos of chapter 2, in which we have done a lot of questions in which we have find the LCM of 2 and 3 numbers. I'm not discussing this issue how to take the LCM. LCM of 10, 5 and 15 is 30. Now we have to change these fractions into like fractions. 1 upon 10. We have to change the denominator equivalent to 30. We will change the denominator 10 into equivalent fraction with denominator 30 by multiplying 10. 10 how many times gives us 30? 10 3 times. So 10 3 times is 30. We will multiply 3 in the numerator also. Plus 1 upon 5. 5 how many times gives us 30? 5 how many times? 6 times. 5 6 times is equals to 30. We have to multiply 6 in the numerator as well. Plus 1 upon 15. 15 how many times gives us 30? 2 times. We need to multiply 2 in the numerator also. Okay, now the next step is 16 whole number plus this plus bracket. Now multiply 1 times 3 in the numerator. 1 times 3 is equals to 3 and 10 times 3 is equals to 30. Actually what we are doing, what we have done, we have changed 1 by 10 into equivalent fraction with denominator 30 that is 3 upon 30. We have changed 1 by 10 into equivalent fraction. The denominator 30 is 3 upon 30. 1 by 10 and 3 by 30 are equivalent fractions. Only difference is its denominator is 10 and its denominator is 30. Plus, now 1 times 6 is 6 in the numerator, and 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 times 2 is 2, and 15 times 2 is 30. Actually, what we have done in this step, look, this is 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10, and 3 upon 30. We have changed 1 upon 10 into its equivalent fraction. 1 upon 10 is an equivalent fraction. The equivalent fraction of 1 upon 10 is 3 upon 30. Similarly, the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 5 is 6 upon 30. The equivalent fraction of 1 upon 15 is 2 upon 30. Only the difference is the denominator of 1 upon 10 is 10 and denominator of 3 upon 30 is 30. 1 upon 5, the denominator is 5, and 6 upon 30, its denominator is 30. Otherwise, the fractions are equivalent. 1 upon 5 is equivalent fraction of 6 upon 30. The equivalent fraction of 1 upon 15 is 2 upon 30. Next step is 16 whole number plus, the denominators are same. Now we can add the numerators because the denominators are same. They are now like fractions. We can add the numerators. 3 plus 6 plus 2, and in the denominator we have to write 30. We'll write 30 only one time because the denominators are same, and it was actually the LCM. So we will write it only one time. Now we will add 3 plus 6 plus 2, 12, which gives us 12 upon 30. Okay, now 12 upon 30. What we have to do is now its effort. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, it's not 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's not 12, it's 11. 11 upon 30 is 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 upon 30. 16 whole number, 11 upon 30. And in our book, they are saying that 16 whole number, 17 upon 30. That is wrong. The right answer is 16 whole number, 11 upon 30.